Hey, welcome back. Most Wing Chun people think they have power, but when it matters, they have nothing. No impact, no control, no result. Today, I will show you why and how to fix it immediately. Power in Wing Chun is misunderstood. It's not strength, it's not muscle, and it's definitely not tension. If you get this wrong, your Wing Chun will never work in real situation. I have trained Wing Chun for over 50 years. I have seen strong men fail and smaller people generate real power. So listen carefully. This will change everything. Let me show you. Before you trust your chain punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your chain punch fail you? The links pinned below. Secret number one, you're too tense. Most people punch like this. You see? Tight shoulder, tight arm, tight fist, tight fist. This kills your power. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax your body. You'll be faster and heavier impact. Power comes from relaxation, not tension. So shake your hands up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The shaking and the vibration will relax your muscles and shake hand up and down from top to bottom. This will also help to relax your body at the same time. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, just throw a punch. Just throw it. Don't use any speed or power. Just throw it up normally from the beginning. 1, 2, and then hold your fist. 3. Not clench your fist. Hold means hold like that, but not squeeze. Only when you hit the target, then you squeeze tight. Then you relax. See? 1. Throw out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now go to 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, back fist. 1. This is the back fist, right? 1, 2. How did that feel? 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you feel faster? Leave a comment down here. So, secret number 2, your elbow is wrong. If your elbow is out, you lose structure. Wing Chun power comes from elbow down, center line control. You see? If I punch like that, my elbow in, boom. I can feel the speed. 2, and the power. 3, 4, 5. What in the center? 2, 3, 4, 5. Elbow position, a punch away from your body. And this is the center line, which is called the power line. Okay? Now, the secret number 3, you are pushing. Push instead of punching. You're not hitting. See, you push your opponent instead of hitting. Push is a slow hit. It's not, push is slow. When you hit, that's explosive power. You gotta think like a whip. You see? Not a shovel. Short, sharp, and direct. See? 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's spring up, relax. Yes. 5. And that's where the power comes from. Now it's a body connection. Force in Wing Chun comes from the ground to your feet, to your leg, to your waist. The waist is like the trigger of a gun. Pull the trigger, send the force up to your spine, shoulder, arm, and out to your fist. So the whole body, you see, move together. If just the arm are moving and your body is dead, there's no power. Wing Chun power equal whole body connection. Small movement, but everything connected. One unit, all work in one. No separate parts. See? Together. See? Turn my waist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Feel the power coming. I can feel it easy. Right? 2, 3, 4, 5. Secret number 5, you're thinking too much. In a real situation, if you think, you're too slow. Power comes from feeling, reaction, simplicity. Punch, pop. See, I don't think. Stop thinking, stop reacting. React. Pop, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So react. One more thing. Nobody talk about this. If your breathing is wrong, your power drops. You inhale, and then you exhale, on strike. 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you breathe correctly, your power improves. If you breathe wrongly, your power will drop. So you breathe in and then strike when you breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to add my waist. 1, more power. With my breathing and my waist power. The whole body works at once. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. So follow this video and practice this every day for 2 weeks. Your stance, your structure, and your power will improve. Before you trust your chain punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your chain punch fail you? The links pinned below. So remember, no tension, correct elbow, don't push, full body connection, stop thinking. This is real Wing Chun. Not force, but smart power. Train slowly, train correctly. Don't rush power. Power is built, not force. And always remember, this is for self-defense only. This is Wing Chun wisdom. See you in the next lesson. Before you move on, take a moment to test your own Wing Chun. I have made a free 2-minute test. Will your chain punch fail you? Record 1 round, score yourself, and I'll show you the drills to strengthen what's missing. The links in the description.